takes flight, a bird in silent air, the ground beneath my feet turns white like crust of bread, so pure, so rare. In mist, the spider's lace is gleaming, a shawl upon the rosy briar, and berries glow as if still dreaming of summer swarm, of fading fire. The sunbeam, like the final thread of hope that trembles in my hand, will touch a branch, then softly spread and fade away through autumn's land. But fleeting is this tender vision, the winds will steal her fragile grace, and winter comes with calm precision to cover emptiness with lace.
I fall for you again and again when I see your smile, my sweetest sin, that cosmic glow, that magic fire pulls me close, feeds my desire. You're my fantasy, my sweetest flame. My world spins when I whisper your name, your charm, your grace. I can't resist. My heart belongs to you like this. You're my temptation, my wildest dream, so natural, soft and full of gleam. Every glance makes my senses burn. To you, my love will always return. You're my fantasy, my sweetest flame. My world spins when I whisper your name, your charm, your grace. I can't resist. My heart belongs to you like this. Your heat and calm in one embrace, a perfect rhythm I can't replace. Your fire, your touch, your velvet tone, you make my heart your endless home. Again and again I lose control. You are the become much more than life to me, more than passion or sweet ecstasy. You are my strength, my calm, my grace, the peace that I find in your embrace. My love, with you the world feels new. Spring blooms in all I see and do. You are my haven through life's storms, my sacred place where my heart warms. You are my courage when nights grow cold, the story my heart has always told. You paint my skies in brighter hue. My every breath belongs to you. My love, with you the world feels new. Spring blooms in all I see and do. You are my haven through life's storms, my sacred place where my heart warms. Thank you for being my gentle light, for filling my days and soothing my nights. And may our love forever stay blooming bright. Come what may. You are my strength, my soul, my sky, my love, my endless lullaby. I wake up smiling with the morning sun, 'cause I know you're thinking of me, my one. My heart whispers soft and true. Every beat belongs to you. My darling, you're the light in the dark. You live inside my every spark. Not a minute, not a breath goes by without your love to lift me high. I fall asleep with peace in my heart, 'cause you and I are never apart. You're my morning, my evening glow. I love you more than you'll ever know. My darling, you're the light in the dark. You live inside my every spark. Not a minute, not a breath goes by without your love to lift me high. You're my sunrise and my sunset, my calm, my dream I can't forget. Through every day, one truth I see: without you, there's no me. I wake up smiling 'cause I love you endlessly. I love you, and that will never fade. Your life's true gift, the brightest star I've made. You are the half that makes me whole my every day, my heart, my soul. All of my tenderness is for you. Every thought I have is true. You make me better every day. You are my life, my dream, my way. You are my answer, my quiet ground, my breath, my spring, the joy I found. With you the world feels new and bright. With you I'm happy. With you it's right. All of my tenderness is for you. Every thought I have is true. You make me better every day. You are my life, my dream, my way. I cherish you, I love you endlessly. You are my fate, my destiny. Still remember trembling, the kind of nerves that never sleep. I thought it'd be a normal thing, and you appeared and swept it away. You came to me, I lost my breath, my heart stood still, I feared what's next. Your eyes, the sky, a sacred flame. No other look could feel the same. From the first second I was yours, you're my calm in every storm. I walk beside you, lost in air, like holding spring within the sky. You are my joy, my truest light. With you the dark turned into bright. I fell in love and always will. You're in my heart, you're within. Talk enough and just the truth. Every word brought perfect peace. I stepped with you, I felt it. But silence fly behind my eyes. It felt like strings inside my chest. All sang your name, all came to rest. I knew right then you meant to stay. I wouldn't want it any other way. From the first second I was yours. You're my calm in every storm. I walked beside you, lost in air, like holding spring with fingers bare. You are my joy, my truest light. With you the dark turned into bright. I fell in love and always will. You're in my heart, you're with me still. You are my angel, you're my grace. With you there's no